These are my favorite apartment items from Amazon that are on sale for Prime Day. First up is this rolling adjustable desk. I use this everywhere in my apartment, on the couch and on the bed. I don't know what I did without it. Next up is my actual standing desk and walking pad. The walking pad has been the best thing to ever happen to me working from home. I always hit 10,000 steps. Next is my Shark StainStriker. I can't live without this thing anymore, being so clumsy and also having a dog. I spill wine and stuff all the time, so this takes it right out. If you need one cleaning item for your apartment, it's this. Next is my Nugget ice maker. It gives you that perfect sonic ice and I love it. This pot and pan organizer is also on sale. It's perfect for storing pots and pans vertically. Next is this portable water filter. I like that you can transport this if you're hosting. All of my pillows and cases are from Amazon, and these pillow inserts are the only ones I'll buy. They give my throw pillows that perfect full fluffy look. Next is this water bottle organizer. I'm actually putting one in my cart right now and getting a second one because you can stack them. These shower shelves stay stuck. I could not get them off the wall in my last apartment, so I'm actually buying them again this Prime Day. Next is this cute little mini desk vacuum. It's good for those annoying crumbs in the hard to reach places. Next is my steam mop. This is the perfect one. It's got a detachable part that you can use for shower walls, sinks. You can steam anything with this. It's affordable and I love it.